The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL has arrived, and with it comes a significant question. Do the cameras underneath this sizable device justify its massive size? Today, the Teardown process will reveal what lies beneath the surface, thanks to Zack from JerryRigEverything. The first surprise with the Pixel 9 Pro XL is how easy it is to get inside this time around. By applying some isopropyl alcohol over the back glass panel, the solvent seeps into the crack between the glass and aluminum frame, loosening the strong glue underneath. The combination of heat, alcohol, and a strong suction cup nearly pulls the glass away on its own. Google's previous phone models were known for their aesthetically pleasing internal design, but in 2024, the Pixel 9 Pro XL feels somewhat bland. The use of less common T4 screws around the cameras and charging port boards complicates repairability unnecessarily. Removing the back glass reveals the metal camera lens protruding through the slab, a straightforward design. However, one of the Teardown's challenges is the inconsistent screw sizes, which makes reassembly difficult if not kept organized. One sneeze could ruin the whole process. Inside, the 23-watt wireless charging pad features copper coils of uniform diameter, differing from Samsung's design, which increases in thickness as the coil expands. The battery is unplugged, revealing the world's largest ribbon cable, so large it almost feels like a joke that made it to production. Another strange ribbon is screwed into place, likely to ensure a strong connection with the lower board. The battery removal situation is perhaps the most frustrating aspect of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Despite having a pull tab, it's more of a placeholder than a functional tool. The glue holding the battery is so strong that even the pull tab struggles to lift it. Alcohol is needed to dissolve the adhesive, a step back in repairability. While the adhesive soaks, the charging port board is removed. The 37-watt USB-C port features a gray rubber ring for IP68 water resistance, while the gold box housing the microphone is mounted on the circuit board's top side with a receiving opening on the underside. Despite the proximity of the microphone hole to the SIM card tray, Google's design ensures that no damage occurs from inserting a SIM tool. The water damage indicator sticker is placed next to the exterior microphone hole. If moisture enters, the red coloring bleeds onto the white, voiding the warranty. However, damage is only a concern if the membrane is punctured, which could happen at depths beyond 6 feet of water. Returning to the battery after allowing the alcohol to seep under it, the removal process remains difficult. The battery is so tightly glued to the body that it's nearly impossible to remove without risking damage. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is officially one of the hardest phones to repair, even surpassing iPhones. This level of difficulty also makes recycling the device at the end of its life nearly impossible. From a repairability standpoint, it's hard to recommend this phone. Once the battery is out, the Teardown reveals the lower loudspeaker with blue balls inside its window and a decent-sized haptic vibrator motor positioned above the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Google seems to have taken a page from Apple's book with a standoff screw on the motherboard's bottom right and added complexity for repair. Another bracket hides a ribbon cable, a screw, and another bracket, all necessary to access the motherboard. The main camera lens has optical image stabilization, OIS, while the middle wide-angle camera does not. The telephoto camera with 5x zoom does have OIS, though it's hidden internally. The final observation is the modularity of the main camera units. While they appear as a single bar, they are actually clipped into place like Legos. This design could streamline assembly, as different cameras can be clipped together during manufacturing. However, Google's backward step in repairability is disappointing. Despite their environmental claims, they produced a device that's difficult to fix or recycle. Credit for this teardown goes to Zack from JerryRigEverything. With the camera units taking up so much real estate, it's clear the gigantic outer pane of glass serves a purpose. But as for the repairability, there's much to be desired. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.